What are you doing?
I gotta pack up, about to head to Texas. All right, which bag do I want to use? Wish I had my own G&B bag.
Hey, you got a package.
All right, guys, you are not dreaming, or I'm not dreaming. You can see it right here, guys. We have the limited edition Seancutshair GandBPro full-size travel bag we're gonna be checking out today. It is dropping soon. Had to get this video done real quick, tell you guys all about it so you can pre-order it, and I got a dope event coming up to launch this thing you guys aren't gonna wanna miss. So let's go ahead and throw it down on the station. This is the biggest product I've ever unboxed, so you guys can see my lap, you can see the floor, but it's gonna work out. So you guys can see it here, Tomb45 green, Seancutshair logo. This is the Velcro full size. You guys can put patches on here. We do have a new G&B all green patch to match the Tomb colors. Seancutshair logo in the middle. This is my Clipper logo here, kind of tall, so you guys can stand it up and it will fit. It was a little bit sideways, and G&B up here in the front. If you guys have not seen a G&B pack before, I'm gonna show you guys all the different compartments, how to pack this thing up. We'll maybe throw a couple clippers in it so you guys can see. I'm gonna go all the way through it. So if you guys have seen this, it's gonna be a lot like the other ones, but there's a couple cool hidden features in here, a couple things that we added to this bag that are super cool. So you guys can see pouches on the top. We have a zipper here, small little compartment here. You can put some stuff in. I usually put like gloves in that one. This one is a little bit bigger, maybe my enhancements, some products, some things like that that are flat. Up here we have a top pouch. You guys can see decent amount of space. I'm not really sure what I would put in there. I don't remember, it's been a minute since I packed a full size, but plenty of space there. Down here we have a bigger slot. I believe it kind of has these things. You guys can kind of put like stuff behind these Velcro attachments, kind of a bigger thing. You could put maybe some spray bottles and some things like that in this bottom pouch. Now if we go ahead and spin it, guys, that is the front. We will go ahead, open up this top pouch, and ooh, nice big Seancutshair logo. Don't mind the silica gel things. Do have a little flyer here. Are you happy with your GandBPro experience? We'd love to hear more from you. Please share your feedback and tell us what you think by posting a review on GandBPro.com. Got a QR code here to see the user manual if you want to. And guys, this is where I would put like my blow dryer and some bigger items. You do have some straps here if you guys want. You can strap to basically the buckles up here on top and keep this upright. We'll see that again in the next pouch. But you got some compartments here. Up here we have like a laptop size sleeve. You can slide your laptop in, something flat, maybe a mirror. And like I said, down here is kind of where I put my blow dryer, kind of a bigger pouch right here. Now the more stuff like a blow dryer and big stuff that you guys put in here, it will make it bulge a little bit. So I don't put a lot in the top. I just put my blow dryer in here and a couple other things so that I don't have it too thick. It does get a little bit big and hard to fit like under the airplane seat if you do that. You guys see the USB cord here. You can plug an external battery in. And over here on the outside, you have a USB. You can just throw this in while you're on the go and charge your phone, or really you could charge some clippers and some things like that. Some of the clippers do have USB cords. You guys can use a battery in here and charge stuff from the outside. So that is that pouch. Go ahead and open the main compartment. And you guys can see here, this is kind of the bulk of where you keep everything. So you have a flap here that we can flip up. It Velcros to, when it's full, it will Velcro to right here a little bit better when it's full. You guys can Velcro that off. Sometimes I put like my enhancement card, maybe some combs and things in this pouch. This is perfect for shave gels and my no drip and some things like that. Over here, you can put your scissors through this top hole and down in here. Take 4 pairs of scissors with you if you want. And we got another zipper here that is similar to the one before. You can put your laptop or iPad or something like that in there. Again, we have the buckles, guys. If you want to, you can strap the buckles and keep it upright like this. And that way you guys can work out of it and keep it upright. You have like your scissors right here. Flip this pouch up. You can take your products out and use it that way. And right here, you guys will see the main compartment. So these are gonna fold out. You can see I already took out some of the dividers. You guys can set these up however you want. These are built in, but I usually put my combs and my big items down in here. Some hair product pucks fit perfectly in there. Lots of extra storage. You can put clippers down here if you want. I tend to put them up here in the trays. So you guys can see already I have done this side. Let me grab a clipper and I'll show you guys how it fits. So you guys can see basically we can customize where these are laid out to fit some clippers. I can even take this out, move it down and make it a little more snug. This one's a little bit longer so I can put it like this. You guys can see you can basically customize all of these to fit whatever tools you have in here. Combs, shavers, products, whatever you want to do. This isn't very deep, so I do put bigger products down in the bottom, but you can see that these fit super nice in here. We can customize this and make it fit. I could probably fit a couple skeletons and trimmers up here on this side, going sideways, or you guys can do it long ways. I guess maybe, yeah, these would fit like this too. So I could fit more if I go this way. And again, guys, this is made to work out of. So once your tools are in here, we can fold it out. I can pull my clippers right out of it, hair products out of the bottom, and I can work out of this thing on the go. So that is pretty much it for the bottom compartments. We will go ahead and close this thing up. Oh, let me get this flap out of the way. Go ahead and zip it up. Now, I don't know about you guys. For me, when I use my G&B, I like to keep the two zippers on the side so that I can set it down, unzip it, and use it. Now, a lot of people zip them all the way around to here. If I ever grab somebody else's bag, I have some trouble because I can't find the zippers. So I keep them on the side. That way they're right here. I can take both hands, unzip it, and flip it open. So leave me a comment down below if you're a G&B user. Let me know how you use it. So that is pretty much it on the bag, guys. One other feature right here, we do have GandBPro and the Seancutshair logo on the shoulder strap. Little strap here you guys can put when you put it on to hold it across your chest, take some of that pressure off of your shoulders. If we flip it over to the side, guys, this is like a water bottle, little holder and a strap to kind of tighten something in, maybe Cool Care or your water bottle. There's that USB that we talked about. And then over here we have the same thing. So we can put like a water bottle or something in there, or Cool Care or some products and take it with us. Or maybe just like a drinking water bottle while you're on the go. If you want to take your drink with you, it will fit in there as well. Okay, so that is it for the bag. You can see it here, super sick. I am so stoked to have my own bag. I've been working with G&B, my guy DeWilkie, for a lot of years now. You saw the bags in the beginning. I've probably had 10 different G&B bags. That's probably underestimating, guys, maybe 20. Everybody in my shop has them. They have always taken care of me, and it was just time to do the Seancutshair bag so you guys can see it here. And if you want to grab it, guys, they're gonna drop for pre-orders on December 4th. You guys can pick them up. And I think maybe like a week or two later, I think around the 15th or the 17th, they will start to ship. And you guys need to get a hold of these. There's only gonna be 100, and one of them is right here. So 99 for you guys to order. If you guys rock with me, with your boy Seancutshair, you gotta get the Seancutshair Tomb Green G&B travel bag. It is the full size. And you guys are gonna see it being packed up and used in the future. I'm so stoked to have this, guys. Just some crazy stuff going on. You gotta stay tuned because I got some more announcements coming that you guys aren't even gonna believe. But on top of that, I'm gonna get the bag out of the way. If you guys want this bag and you wanna come to this event, guys, I'm gonna be in Chicago at HQ with Loscutit to drop and launch officially the G&B Seancutshair travel bag. So Loscutit and myself will be doing basically just hanging out. It's gonna be like a meet and greet. We will have VIP tickets. We'll have regular tickets if you guys just wanna come. The VIP ticket will include the full-size Seancutshair G&B travel bag. So I'm gonna put all the links in the description, guys. The link for pre-orders if you guys wanna pre-order it. I will also put links down below for tickets if you guys wanna come to HQ in Chicago. I'm looking forward to that. Probably be sometime in the evening. I don't think it is all set up yet, at least at the moment when I'm recording this, but I would love to meet you guys. Come out. I'm driving 7 hours to come. So if you guys do rock with me and you wanna come meet me and Los, get you a bag with that VIP ticket, I would love to see all of you guys there. So click the links in the description, check those out. And if you guys wanna see some more GandBPro bag information, check out a couple of my videos right here.